In the 13th chapter of the 12th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, it has been described that on this Bhadra Purnima day, if one offers Srimad Bhagavatam on a golden throne, then he becomes qualified to go back to the spiritual world. So it's such a wonderful opportunity to just go back to the spiritual world. But in order to do that, one has to recognize the importance of Srimad Bhagavatam and the importance of distributing the knowledge of Srimad. In ISKCON, we take advantage of this golden opportunity by encouraging our devotees to distribute Srimad Bhagavatam sets to our members and others. And all over the world, on this particular day, actually, we are distributing thousands of sets of books. I remember Gopal Krishna Maharaj was telling me that in Bombay alone, on this day, they distributed more than 4,000 Bhagavatam sets. Srila Prabhupada considered that the book distribution is a most important activity. The reason is the books are the basis for spreading Krishna consciousness. In ISKCON, our main business is to spread Krishna consciousness. And the way to do that is by distributing Srila Prabhupada's books. Therefore, Srila Prabhupada took so much trouble to translate these books. That was actually his most important involvement, most important activity. He used to stay up through the night translating the books because he knew that this is the means by which Krishna consciousness movement is going to spread all over the world, fulfilling the prediction of Sri Chaitanya. So, as members of ISKCON, it should be our most important responsibility to distribute Srila Prabhupada's books. Srila Prabhupada considered this book distribution is so important that when he was so sick in Vrindavan, he used to tell that the news of book distribution rejuvenates him. He really felt revived, rejuvenated when he got the news of book distribution, how the devotees are distributing his books all over the world. So let us recognize the importance of book distribution and take the opportunity to motivate everybody and inspire ourselves to be involved in distributing Srila Prabhupada's books. Let the books go out, because these books are actually going to cause a revolution in this world. Jasmin pratishloko janata bhuvito. Every single shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam can create a revolution in this world. To begin with, it creates a revolution in our own life. Our life changes from materialistic, sense-gratifying life. It takes us, it transforms us to a life of Krishna consciousness. And that is how we find the ultimate purpose of our existence, and this is how we fulfill the human form of life. So please become involved with full enthusiasm to distribute Srila Prabhupada's books and take advantage of this opportunity when pious Indians are naturally inclined to do something pious. And what can be more pious than receiving the gift of Srimad Bhagavatam? This is the best gift that one can ever give, the gift of transcendental knowledge. So, as givers, let us give this gift to others, and as receivers, let them receive the most wonderful benediction that one can ever achieve. Thank you very much. I wish all of you all success in this wonderful opportunity to distribute Srila Prabhupada's books on this Bhadra Purnima. Thank you.